HTC's newest phone, the U11 EYE has a 6-inch screen with a Super LCD3 1080x2160 screen. The phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB SSD and a battery of 3930 mAh. However, it continues to run the Android Nougat, now outdated, instead of the last Oreo. It has two front cameras, built to the right of the headset, which are probably the eyes that bear the name of the phone. We still do not know the specifications of the front cameras, but they probably have some kind of selfie portrait mode that has been the standard in most HTC phones. The back of the phone has only one camera. It also has USB Type-C for fast charging and an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. U11 EYE also has Edge Sense, just like its predecessors, so you can tighten it as a one-hand shortcut button.